So I'm starting off with getting my brows out of the way so it won't get snatched, child. And I'm using my Elmer's glue stick. Get a good amount on there, let it dry, and it won't be an issue. Now from 3rd degree, I have this A and B solution. You mix them together and that's going to help create the scars. If you want your pigment or your color, you can add some concealer like I will. And that's what it looks like. It's nice and gooey, easy to work with. And I have a picture for reference. So I'm just shaping out the scars as I see it on Freddy Krueger. You don't have to be exactly precise, but you know, try to get it to have like some openings, some holes, some circles, some melty looking raindrops or whatever you want to call it. That's what's going to help give you that melty look. Okay. But again, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect because he's hideous and it don't got to be cute. When you get to like your neck area, I would suggest you kind of thinning it out so that way it's not so chunky so it can kind of blend into your chest more. And like I said, I'm just looking at his picture for reference and I'm just trying to do what I see. His eyebrows look like it had a little hump, a little, you know, so I just added some more and made it a little thicker in that area. Now I am drying it with the blow dryer because it does take some time to dry, but you do have to move kind of fast because once it dries, y'all, you can't, like once you dry it and it's in that cup and you try to apply more, it's going to be too thick and hard to work with. So try to move at a fast pace. Now I have this 5-color cream paint from Meron and I'm going to start off with that red and dab it in some areas. You don't have to put it everywhere, but in some places just to give it some dimension so everything's not one-toned. I will go in with a brush and deepen up some areas closer and where the curves are, like the little circles, the little raindroppy looking areas, so I can make some areas pop so it can look deep, into the skin. I will also be doing this same technique with a smaller brush with brown, and the brown, you'll see it in a second. I'm not doing it yet, but the brown is going to allow it to look even more bruised up and deeper into the skin. Okay, so we're just doing repetitive things at this point with different colors and different areas just to make the look realistic and just to give it some dimension because you don't want it to look just plain in one tone, if that makes sense. Okay, now this look is actually very easy to do, y'all. Everything was super affordable down to the costume. I did get every single thing from Amazon, so if you want to pick up some of these things, you can definitely pick it up. I will link it in my description box so you can go ahead and get it. But you see what I was talking about that brown is really bringing the look together. Now I'm going to take that white cream and that's not powder, by the way. That this is a contour kit, but it's cream. I don't suggest using powder on this look because that silicone is very like rubbery and it's just easier to use something creamy. So I added some of that white on some of the raised up areas to make it look more realistic. And child, that is really it. You just use your eye, look at the picture, see how you want it to look, and just add pieces on it. There's no wrong or right way. He's hideous, you hideous, and the look is done. But this was really fun. And here's a quick fun fact. I actually recorded this for last year's Halloween and I never got a chance to edit it and put it out. So here you go, guys. I hope you enjoy it. This was super fun and I'll see you in another video. Be safe out there and happy Halloween. Bye.